cannot change password on PocketGuard Plus Fix. If you're having trouble changing your password on the PocketGuard Plus app, you're not alone. Many users run into this problem, especially after recent updates. Most people think it's a glitch, but here's the surprising truth: PocketGuard requires password changes to go through their secure account portal, not directly from the mobile app. Here's how to fix it step by step. Open your browser and go to PocketGuard.com. At the top right corner, click Login. Once the login screen appears, choose Forgot Password. Even if you remember your password, this method is the official way to create a new one. Enter the email address tied to your PocketGuard Plus account and hit Submit. Within a few minutes, you'll receive an email from PocketGuard with a reset link. Open the email, click the link, and follow the on-screen instructions to create your new password. Make sure your new password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of numbers, uppercase letters, and symbols. After saving, open your PocketGuard app, log out completely, and log back in using your new credentials. If you don't see the email after a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. Still nothing? Try resending the link or reach out to PocketGuard support team for help. They are known to respond fairly quickly. Sometimes users can't reset passwords because their app isn't updated. So before trying again, go to your device's app store and make sure you're running the latest version of PocketGuard. To sum it up, the app itself won't let you change your password, but the website will. Using the Forgot Password method through the official portal fixes the issue for good. Once you reset it, you'll be able to access PocketGuard Plus seamlessly, keeping your finances organized and secure.